Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, let's create a profile. Now, what is profile? I'll just go to the presentation I have created. So profile is nothing but a client. Okay, in a simple term, it's a client. It can be a user, any individual person which we want to target, or maybe a person who has already subscribed to your newsletter, or maybe any content with what you have created on your website. Okay, and ACS can track online, offline. We have already talked about it, and there are three options through which we can create profile. One way, we will just go to ACS UI and we'll create a profile. I will just tell you how can we do that. Another way will be importing workflow, and the third way will be through web API. So for example, you have a web application and maybe you are giving that option to user through which they can sign up to maybe a webinar or maybe to your website, and then you are just pulling this data, and then using web APIs you can creating a profile. You are just creating a profile, so that option is also available. So using three ways we can create a profile. Let's see the first way. How can we create a profile using ACS UI? So what we have to do, either through here, just click here, or here, or click on this logo and then click on profile, and then click on profiles. After clicking on profile, we just have to click on create button. That will come right here, and then we can create profiles. Let's click on this one. Okay, preferred language, time zone, country, age. We can give KYC. Also, they have introduced and transaction date, etc. CIBIL score. This will be used actually if you are using any financial related website. Okay, and then we have like channels also available, like email, then mobile number, then fax, address also. Yeah, and we also have this option available called blacklist. So for example, a user, maybe he is not willing to be contacted via maybe SMS or direct email, okay, or email or push notification, or maybe by any channel at all. So we can do that. So maybe a person is just clicking on unsubscribe, and through API we just want to update this data. We can do that. That option is available. Maybe I will create a video, and then address, etc. information we can fill in. What is inside? Yeah, so all this information we can fill in, and finally we have to click on create, and this will create the profile. And we can upload the photo, etc. So this is how we can create the profile. Event list is right now there is no event assigned, but yeah, as in we'll just proceed with all these videos. I will see how can we see all those events also for a particular profile. Okay, since mobile number, etc. we have not given, that's why those are not reflecting. But if, for example, if I just give that information also, so that will also reflect here. Yeah, just give. Let's save it. So it's reflecting over here. So this is how we can create a profile. Thank you so much for watching, and let's continue exploring more options. Stay connected.